Guys, welcome back. We're working on number 15 here. It says, what is the least common denominator of the fractions 4 over 35, 1 over 77, and 3 over 22? Go ahead and take a second to pause the video and work the problem out. All right, so looking for least common denominator. Man, this thing is got a couple different ways to do this. Remember what we're doing is we're trying to get a common multiple. So I can take the number 35 here, right? And I can write all the multiples. I can make it 70, 105, 140, 175, dot, 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 dot. And then I can list out all the multiples of 77, which is 77, 154, 231, dot, 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 dot. And then 22, which is 44, 66, 88, 130. No, that's not right. 110, dot, dot, dot. And again, we're looking for the smallest number that appears on all three lists. Now, this is obviously not the way you want to work this, but I'm just talking to you about what it actually is that we're doing. What I would do is just take the smallest number, answer choice that is, 110, and divide it evenly. Like, does 110 go into 35? Or does 35 go into 110? So we're going to divide it, okay? So we're going to take 110, we're going to divide it by 35, because if it's a multiple, it'll divide evenly, and it does not divide evenly. So we know that answer choice A is out. Okay, now we're going to try answer choice B, 770. So we're going to take 770, we're going to divide it by 35, which is going to come out nice and even. So that means that 770 is on that list. Remember how I was writing all those multiples out? So 770 is on that list. What about 77? Well, this one's pretty clear that it's going to be 10, but let's just go ahead and show it here. When I divide it by the denominator, 77, I get 10. Okay, lastly, 22. So if I take 770 and I divide it by 22, does it come out evenly? It does. That means that 770s are least common denominator. So answer choice B. Now, it's real important that you start with the smallest number and work your way up, because E probably works. And so you might try that and it divides into 35 and 77 and 22, but it doesn't mean it's the least common multiple. And remember, least common multiple and least common denominator are actually kind of the same thing, because it's the smallest number that is divisible by both. So don't start with the big number here, work your way up to the top. Now, there is a pretty cool trick here that you can straight up do this on your calculator. If you go to math, and then down, let's see, probability, no, where is this thing at? There we go, math number, LCM, least common multiple. Okay, it's answer choice 8 under the number tab in your graphing calculator. If you do the LCM of the first two numbers, which I've got listed here, right, 35, 77, and 22, you can only do two at a time, but 35, 77, you just pick the first two numbers and find the least common multiple. The least common multiple is 385. Then you do that again. So math number 8, you find the least common multiple of the number that you just got, that 385, comma, with your third number, 22. And that's going to give you 770. So least common multiple or least common denominator in this problem, same thing. You can do it straight up on your calculator. Okay? So really, really important to know that. Now, it doesn't matter which two I pick. If I were to do math number 8, and let's say I pick 77, 22, right? If I find the least common multiple of those, and then I repeat the process, so least common multiple of the number I just got with my third number, which was 35, I'll still get 770. Okay, so really, really, really cool way to do that problem if you're not into just the division thing, or you just like using your calculator in this way a little bit better. It'll work. All right, guys, thanks again for following us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit us at tutoring-solutions.com for any further information you might need or any help with your ACT studying. We do a lot of one-on-one prep. We have group classes. We got lots of things going on for all subjects of the ACT. We really just want you guys to get to where you need to be, get those scholarships, get into the college you want. And we're going to try to make it as easy as possible. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.